The Internet of Things, IoT, is the concept of connecting everyday objects to the Internet so they can send and receive data. This means that devices, appliances, and even things like cars or lights can be smart and interact with each other without needing human input. IoT allows these devices to collect information, analyze it, and sometimes make decisions based on that data to improve efficiency, safety, or convenience. How IoT works. Imagine your home. Normally, you'd control things like lights, temperature, or security cameras by physically interacting with them, like turning on a switch. With IoT, all these devices can be connected to the internet, allowing you to control them remotely, get status updates, or set them to work automatically based on your preferences. For example, a smart thermostat connected to your home's Wi-Fi can learn your temperature preferences and adjust itself throughout the day. You can also control it using your smartphone even if you're not at home. If it's a cold day, you can turn on the heat before you get home so the house is warm when you arrive. Examples of IoT in everyday life: smart home devices, smart thermostat. As in the example above, a smart thermostat can adjust temperature settings based on your schedule, potentially saving on energy bills. Smart lighting, lights that turn on or off based on motion or according to a schedule. Some can also be controlled remotely from your phone or set to change colors. Smart locks. These allow you to lock or unlock your door from a distance. You can even give temporary access to visitors by sending a code to their phone. Voice assistants. Devices like Amazon Alexa or Google Home can connect with other smart home devices, allowing you to control everything with voice commands. Wearable health devices, fitness trackers. Devices like Fitbit or Apple Watch monitor your physical activity, heart rate, and even sleep patterns. They gather data about your health and provide insights, encouraging healthier habits. Medical devices. Some IoT-enabled devices can monitor specific health conditions, like glucose monitors for diabetics that continuously track blood sugar levels and send alerts if there's an issue. Smart cars, navigation and diagnostics. Many modern cars are equipped with IoT technology. They can monitor things like fuel levels, engine health, and tire pressure. Some systems can even alert the driver or send diagnostic reports directly to a mechanic. Self-driving features. Autonomous vehicles use IoT to connect with traffic signals, road sensors, and other vehicles to make driving safer and more efficient. Smart cities traffic management. IoT can help cities manage traffic better by analyzing data from sensors and adjusting traffic lights to reduce congestion. Smart parking. Some cities have sensors in parking spaces that let drivers know where there's open parking, cutting down on time spent looking for a spot. Public safety, IoT connected cameras, and environmental sensors help cities detect problems like air pollution or high temperatures and respond more quickly. Industrial IoT, IIoT. In industries like manufacturing, IoT can help machines communicate with each other, detect when they need maintenance, or automate processes. For example, a factory might use IoT to monitor machinery performance and prevent breakdowns, improving productivity and reducing downtime. Why IoT is useful: IoT creates more efficient, safe, and convenient environments by connecting and automating devices. In a home, it can save time, reduce energy use, and enhance security. In healthcare, it can improve patient care and monitoring. In cities and industries, IoT helps reduce costs, manage resources better, and improve services for everyone. Key takeaway: IoT makes everyday devices smarter by connecting them to the internet, allowing them to gather, share, and act on data. It's all about making things work together to improve our lives in small but meaningful ways.